So Joanna,
Yeah.
you have brought with you a Kelly.
Yes.
And what size is this?
So I actually bought this from Luxury Promise
Oh wow, okay.
this year in June, and it's my favorite bag. It's a size 28. It's in box leather. As I mentioned, like I am not somebody who I'm just like now in my career where I'm just buying left, right, and center.
Okay.
I've worked really hard actually to get this bag, and it's actually from my birth year, which makes it even
wow.
more special. A lot of people were like, "Why would you go for box leather?" So box leather is actually discontinued. They do produce it now in the mini Kelly only, but it's not an easy leather to find. It's more common in the vintage years, and I just love it. I love the shine. You will not get a shine like this with with any other leather. It does scratch more, and I don't mind it. I do like a bag that I can use freely, because if it was like brand new, I would be like, oh, the first scratch would kill me. But again, and I love it. It's a 28 gold hardware, beautiful. I love it. And it came as a full set actually from Luxury Promise. So
wow.
got it for a great deal as well. So
It's beautiful. Let's find out what's inside. What do you keep inside your bag?
let's see. I mean, I didn't really like plan on showing you what's inside my bag, but okay. So I have my iPhone.
Okay.
Actually, it's amazing because it fits the iPhone. What else do I have? I actually forgot my card holder, but I do have some cash.
Oh, very nice. How
Never
much?
have cash. This is the first time I actually have cash, because my fiance was like, you shouldn't leave the house without cash. You never know what happens. And he's right. I don't have my wallet on me
It's true.
today. So I have my sunglasses from Gentle Monster. I bought these from Singapore. Actually, Anna from our team, she's the one who told me, like, buy Gentle Monster. So I got them. It's a Korean brand, really cool.
I heard about this, and they have a shop in Dubai now.
They do in Mall of the Emirates.
Okay.
You should go. It's an experience. I have perfume.
What are you
My
wearing?
little Cartier
nice.
perfume. It's Oud and Santal. Lip gloss. And then my strap for my Kelly, in case I decide to switch up my look. And my keys, AirPods. Of course, can't go anywhere without your
Your
AirPods.
dirham is connected.
Oh, with a 1 dirham. Didn't know it was a magnet. Did you know this? And yeah, and a boarding pass
Oh, where are you going?
from my trip to Rome in July. That's it.
Very, very nice.